The startling revelations by former CAG Vinod Rai has not only put former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in the dock, it has landed other Congress leaders in trouble. The three former Congress MPs have, however, rejected the claims as an outright lie and threatened to take Vinod Rai to court.
अगर वो माफी नहीं मांगते हैं तो निश्चित तौर पर उनको कोर्ट में मैं खींचूंगा और कोर्ट में सिर्फ उनको बुलाया नहीं जाएगा, उनसे माफी भी मंगवाई जाएगी। अगर वो झूठ बोलेंगे तो लाई डिटेक्टर और नार्को टेस्ट जैसी जो व्यवस्था होती है उसके तहत भी उस दौर से भी उनको गुजरना पड़ सकता है।
The Congress too sought to turn the tables on Vinod Rai, questioning why he did not file an FIR if he was under pressure not to name Manmohan Singh in the 2G and coal block allocation reports. The Congress termed the disclosure a publicity stunt.
The former CAG Shri Rai has already spoken through the reports of the CAG office earlier, not once but many times. These reports have already received wide publicity while he was in office. But perhaps the hunger for publicity was not sufficiently satisfied, so that allegations are made all over again.
The BJP used the revelations to hit out at the Congress, targeting 10 Janpath.
जो विनोद राय का जो इंटरव्यू है उसके आधार पर हम तीन बातें सामने रखना चाहते हैं कि कांग्रेस में सत्ता का एक तरह से ऐसा विभाजन था कि सही सत्ता 10 जनपद में थी और सत्ता के पद पर मनमोहन जी थे और सिग्नेचर उनकी है, सम्मति उनकी है, फाइनल सैंक्शन उनका है, तो इसलिए वो दोषी है ही।
Vinod Rai, who served as the Controller and Auditor General in the previous UPA government, is known to have unearthed major corruption scams. His latest revelations add to the woes of the Congress. With Shailendra Mishra from Delhi, DD News.
We will complete the audit process in 3